Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and this amazing video. I'm Aditya. In this video, I want to show you how we can create dark mode with Nuxt 3 and Tailwind CSS, and that also without the flicker effect. So I'll show you what do I mean. So if I go to light mode, I'm on light mode now. If I refresh the page, it's still on light mode, even though my by default system mode is dark mode. If I go to dark mode, if I refresh the page, you will see there is no flicker. It's straight dark mode. So let's see how this is done. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so I'll be using the same project that we use for Nuxt 3 WebSocket, which was in the last video. So if you haven't checked that video, please do check that video. I'll put the link in the description as well. So in that, we had this index.view, and I will be using the same page. Just gonna add this header component where we will have that button to toggle mode. So inside this, first we need to add the classes. So what will be the background on light mode? What will be the background of dark mode? Same over here, text color. So just need to add the Tailwind classes, and all that is provided in the Tailwind documentation. Now inside header.view, I just have a simple header, or you could say like an app bar, in which I have this mode switch component. Now this mode switch component has the actual logic of switching the mode from light mode to dark mode. Now by default, how it's gonna work is, you see the flicker is not coming because of this script injected inside the head tag of our web page. Now what's gonna happen is, with use head, we can inject script inside the head tag, and there what I'm saying is, okay, first check if there is theme set inside the local storage. So if there is a key theme set inside the local storage, and if it's dark, perfect, just apply the dark mode to our web page. If the theme is not set, okay, just apply the light mode. And this, like setting the attribute and removing attribute, that's happening on the HTML tag. So document.document element refers to HTML tag, and it straight away goes over there. Put a attribute of data theme equal to dark if it's in dark mode. If it's not, it's straight away remove that attribute. Now this can also be toggled from tailwind.config. So here, not toggled actually, but this could be configured. So what we need to do here is, inside this tailwind.config.js, we just need to say, okay, dark mode, we want dark mode based on class, and also we want it based on our custom class or custom attribute. So here I'm saying data-theme equal to dark whenever this attribute data theme is set on the HTML tag with a value of dark. That means dark mode is applied. Straight away use the dark mode. Then Tailwind will make the magic of applying our dark mode classes. So if I go to mode switch again, here we have a switch that's coming from headless UI, and these two icons, sun icon, moon icon, they are coming from hero icons library. Now if I go back over here to the web page to show you quickly how that script is injected inside the head tag. So if I go to inspect, we'll also see view page source because it doesn't affect our SEO as well. So if I go inside over here, you will see this script over here runs, and after this script runs, then we have our this body tag being rendered. So because of that, we have like smooth web page display, whether it's in dark mode or light mode, and there is no flicker. So here that script is injected. Now inside this, on this switch, I have a function which will toggle theme. I have a variable enabled to switch the icon. So if dark mode is enabled, we have moon icon. If it's not enabled, we have sun icon. Now how this is managed. So let's close this tailwind.config and let's go inside this use theme composable that I have created. Now here I have created a state enabled. Now what this state is going to do is, it's just going to keep track of whether the dark mode is on or not. If it's on, this will be true. If it's not on, this will be false. Now you will say, if we are injecting script in the head tag, then why do we need this enabled state? Well, you can avoid this by inside over here, instead of using vif, you could use classes over here. You could say class and then maybe something like this. So on dark mode, this is visible, otherwise this is hidden, something like that. And then exactly opposite over here, so you would say dark mode hidden, otherwise it's visible. So that's possible as well. But if we want to keep track with the variable, then we could use the approach I have taken. So there I have taken this enabled value, and on mounted, we will just display the sun or moon icon. Now to avoid that flicker on sun or moon icon, what we will do is, here I will put enabled if by default the enabled value is null. So if it's null, that means this switch shouldn't be rendered. Okay, if it's not null, or in other words, if it's either true or false, then and then only render this switch, and then depending on whether it's true or false, just display the icon. So that's why we don't have flicker on that icon, the actual toggle switch icon over here. Well, you will notice that it disappears and then comes up, but that's fine. But the flicker, when I meant by flicker, is like the icon, like there are two icons or something like that, or you could say the black background is there but the icon is not visible, something like that. Like that flicker is not there. In other words, I have just tried to reduce the flicker on this icon or this toggle switch, but overall on the page there is no flicker at all. So we have smooth page rendering. So sorry, let's go back over here. So going back to the use theme, here we have two functions, toggle theme and set theme. So what toggle theme is doing is it's just toggling dark mode to on and off, and also it's setting the value of local storage theme key. So inside that local storage we have theme key. If it's enabled, we set the theme to dark. If it's not enabled, we set it to light. And as soon as these two variables are set, all we have to do is set theme or run the set theme function, which is this one. So what this set theme function is going to do is, so here I will take the value of local storage, the theme key value, and I will say, okay, if this is set to dark, that's great. Or if it's not set, but windows.matchmedia, now this line means it's also inside our head tag. This means what is your device default theme. So in my case, my device default theme is dark theme. So we just need to respect the device theme first if the local storage theme is not set. So if it's not set, we straight away go for the device theme. So if it's dark, we put in the dark mode. If it's not, we put in the light mode over here. Now this set attribute and remove attribute, as I said, it's going to go on the HTML tag. So on the HTML tag, it's going to put the data-theme equal to dark if we have dark mode enabled. If not, it's just going to remove that attribute and then Tailwind do all the magic. So let's go back to mode switch again. So we can bring in those functions from the composable over here, and simply we just need to attach those functions. So one function over here, actually you just need one function, the other function is not needed. So we have enabled and toggle theme, and that's it. We have our page with dark mode enabled and disabled. So last try, perfect. So that's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you feel this video is worth sharing with your network, please do share with your network. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Till the next time, goodbye.